It's Saturday morning and I want to get this truck suspension finished as quick as possible. I don't want it to take forever. So I took all week off of work. So I have a whole week of uninterrupted time to finish this truck suspension. I'm gonna spend all week working on this thing and you get to watch. First, I'm gonna clean my garage out, get all this shit out so I have room to work, and then I'll show you what we're gonna do for the day. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do today. I got this 2x4 rectangular tubing held in place here, and this is pretty much everything below that is pretty much how much I wanna cut off the frame in order to clear the frame so that the whole body can lay on the ground. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark this and cut the bottom of this frame out. And right here, there are 2 rivets that are holding on the body mounts. So I need to clearance this 2x4 rectangular tubing so that it can lay flush against the frame without these rivets getting in the way. And so I'm gonna do that, then I'm gonna cut this away. I'm gonna leave a little bit of the frame rail on the bottom to bend up to weld to the bottom of this tubing. And then I'm gonna weld this thing in on the little part on top that touches, and on the sides and on the bottom. And then I'm gonna create a fish plate to come out over the last 4 inches or so of this tubing to the frame so that it can have extra support here just to make sure that everything is strong. So I've never done anything like this before. I'm making all this up on the spot and I think it's gonna be good enough, and all we gotta do is just try. So let's try, see if this shit'll work. I just wanna make a disclaimer real quick. I'm not a professional fabricator. I've never done anything like this before, and what I'm showing you now might not necessarily be the right way to do it, but I'm just showing you how I'm gonna do it. I did a little bit of research on this. I couldn't find a whole lot on it, so I figured I'd just share a way to do it if someone's looking to do it in the future. This way you don't have to do a body drop and you don't have to modify the floors of your truck. Basically, I'm just bringing the bottom of the frame up so that the body can sit on the ground instead of the frame. So again, I'm not a professional fabricator. I'm just a guy having fun in my garage. All right, I don't have the prettiest welds in the world and I'm still learning. So like when I'm going upside down on the bottom and like right there, I kind of suck, but the welds have penetration and I'm confident that it's going to hold. So as you can see, my 2 fish plates, fish plate, and my beam's going across the middle of there and it's welded all around and I'm done. I just gotta say, this plasma cutter is f***ing dope. That thing just cuts through like butter. And if I had to do that all with my 90-degree high speed or my angle grinder, I would have wasted a couple discs on that 90-degree and it would have taken 10 times longer. But with that plasma cutter, it's just a steady pace all the way across, and I'm so glad that I bought that thing. All right, so I got this portion of the frame painted, which set me back a day because, you know, I got to let it cure. And I had to drive around for like 2 hours to find POR 15 because apparently Home Depot doesn't have it. And Advanced Auto Parts sells it, but most of them don't have it on the shelves, I guess. So anyways, got my POR 15 on the frame. After I got that shit all modified and cut up, now I have body mounts set in place, and I'm going to put this bad boy back on, hopefully by myself. Hopefully it goes as smooth as taking it off. This time I'm doing it by myself without the help of a secret partner. So let's see how well I can do this. Please like this video. Please subscribe to me so you can see the completion of this truck, because it's going to be badass. If you want to hit the little bell, you can get notifications when new videos come out. I try to put one out weekly, but whatever. Yeah, so I haven't seen any videos or anything about how people are modifying the frame under the cab, so I just winged this and kind of did what I thought would work. And I am not an experienced fabricator, but I'm pretty sure I over-engineered it in order to be good enough. So cool. See you next time.